How you there, everybody? My name is Linwood, and today I'm going to walk you through the not-so-technical procedure of how to change the headlight fluid in your vehicle. You're not going to miss this. So, step one is very important to make sure you have all the necessary things you need to change the headlight fluid in your vehicle. First, you're going to need your headlight fluid. Now, you can get, it doesn't matter if it's store-bought or homemade. Homemade it'll easily save you $200, so I highly recommend the homemade kind. Now, it's kind of technical. It's made from simple ingredients, but kind of technical to make. So what you're going to need to do, if somebody sent you this video, go to your buddy who sent it to you and say, hey, can you mix me up some headlight fluid? And they'll be happy to oblige you. Second thing you're going to need a sock. One with a good, throw to it like this. You're going to need a sock, and you're going to need some duct tape. I know it sounds crazy, but it's very simple to do. You do not need to go to an auto shop, pay $300 out of pocket to do this. You can do it at home, and I'm going to show you how. So this is what we're going to be using today, a 2012 Oldsmobile Cutlass, okay? There we are. Now, the thing about headlight fluid, it actually works through absorption. So you're not going to pop the lid open or put this in any type of receptacle. You're going to spill it right over. First you do just a little drizzle over the headlights, okay? See, it's already starting to look a lot better. Now, after you do that, you're going to pour some on your sock. And this is very important. This may have a really terrible smell to it. But like I said, it's made from all natural ingredients. So the funkier, the better, honestly. So you're going to do like this. And you're going to just swat your headlight. Now, what you're going to need to do is do that 15 minutes per headlight, okay? 15 minutes. I'm going to cut this video short, but just so you know, I'm doing it for 15 minutes. And I cannot stress this enough. Make sure you do it where there's plenty of bright, hot sunshine, because this only works under bright sunshine. So usually in like a public place where, like in your driveway, and anybody see you doing this, you might think it looks ridiculous, but everybody knows what you're doing. So don't worry about that. Just keep doing it for 15 minutes straight per headlight, okay? I just finished doing that 15 minutes on each headlight. Now comes from the most important part, the duct tape. So what you're going to need to do, I'm going to have to put the camera down while I do this. But first you need to go and grab some duct tape. I'm going to grab just 2 pieces of duct tape. 2 pieces. Okay. You get your 2 pieces of duct tape. Okay, you can tape them in the car if it makes it easier. And you do this too. You have to make a form of an X over top. You make a form of an X over top your light. And that's just to let everybody know, hey, you just did this. Don't mess with it. And that way you leave it there for maybe overnight or throughout the day. Any 12-hour period will work fine. But yeah, you do that, and you let it sit for 12 hours, then your headlights will be good as new. So I hope you'll like and subscribe. Thanks for following us on this video, and until next time.